Okay, up for sale today from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida, this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around now. Very nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, super clean. Very nice shape, really outstanding condition. All right, take a look at the top light. Headlamps in beautiful condition, super clean. Lower light also in beautiful condition. Grille looks good, very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp on the driver's side, amazing condition. Lower light's in beautiful shape also. Hood's in beautiful condition, very nice. Really outstanding shape, super clean, really nice condition. All right, taking a look here. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape, really nice condition. Taking a look at the driver door, beautiful shape there. Super clean, looks really nice all the way through. Amazing condition. Taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, very nice. It's got a blemish here on the paint. Besides, that's in good condition. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. This light has a little bit of a scratch there on the corner. Besides, that looks good. Little dent right there. Rear hatch looks good, great condition. Looks super nice. Rear bumper's in beautiful condition, super clean. Take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Really clean throughout, looks very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Does have a tiny little dent right there. If you can see it right there, a tiny little dent. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, really nice shape. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Real quick, let's look at the glass in the front, looks good, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Really great condition overall. Beautiful shape. All right, the glass on this side looks good. Really nice condition, super clean. All right, that concludes our walk around this one. Stay tuned, we're gonna take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look there. Really outstanding shape. Nice two-tone. Take a look at the controllers. Amazing. A little bit of storage on the bottom. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Does have a blemish right here and here. Besides that, looks good. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. Really super shape. Looks really great. All right, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Really nice two-tone color there. Armrest is in beautiful condition. A little bit of storage on the door. Looks very nice. Take a look at the front passenger seat. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Looks very nice, beautiful shape. Dashboard steering wheel, everything looks brand new. Really nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Take a look there. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Very nice shape. Does have a blemish right here. A little scratch right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in good shape. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, brand new. Very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Really outstanding condition. All right, taking a look at the rear seats here on the passenger side. Passenger side is in good shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice condition on the seats. Full set of floor mats, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Rear seats look good. Very nice condition. Take a look here. USBs for the rear passengers. Super nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT model. Take a look, here's the key fob on it. Lock, unlock, remote start, panic. All right, we're gonna set the key down here in the cup holder. This one has a push button start right here. So we just gotta press the brake and press the start button. There you go, starts up perfect. Super nice, look at that. All right, look at that. Fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 3,699 miles. 3,699 miles, like a brand new vehicle. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the cluster here, see what we have. We have here, let's see. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. We have the miles till empty. The lane alert there on top, the distance for the vehicle in the front on the right hand side. The lower right, we have the temperature, miles per hour, and RPMs. Let me show you the RPMs, how cool that is. Super nice. And on the bottom, it shows you it's in park. Really nice display. All right, look at this beautiful display for the radio, amazing. Dashboard's in beautiful condition, looks super clean, really nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look there. Automatic lights, cruise control on the steering wheel, radial steering wheel controls here on the bottom. This is for the information center on the cluster. And the other one has your controllers here to change the stations. All right, so we're looking at the turn signals, right and left, highlights, front and rear wipers, very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Very nice, leather wrap, looks super nice. All right, center console's in beautiful shape here. Automatic transmission, cup holders, a little bit of storage there. Another big storage here, super nice. Okay, let's take a look here. We have our USBs, power plug. This is for the lane alert. This is for the bypass of the engine. That way it doesn't turn off when you're at the light. Otherwise it turns off and saves some fuel. Climate control for the driver. One zone, really nice. Check out the information center, beautiful condition there. Dashboard and steering wheel looks brand new. Take a quick look again here. Very nice condition. All right, quick look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape on this one. Looks super clean. Let's take a look at the courtesy lights here on top. Actually, we can turn them on right there. There it is. And then right there, they just turn on when the door opens. All right, we're looking at the OnStar and the passenger side airbag. Visors, beautiful shape, both sides here. They both have vanity mirrors. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the radio really quick. So let's go to settings. I like to go into settings to show you what safety features the vehicle has. Okay, those are the settings for the system. Fantastic, look at that. Vehicle settings, seat reminder, rear seat reminder, climate control. Let's go to the collision detection here. We'll tell you what safety features we have. Automatic braking and front pedestrian. Those are the two things it has there for that. Vehicle, click on vehicle there real quick. Oh, we're on that. Let's go to apps. So yeah, the audio, the phone, and the OnStar. There we click on maintenance. It shows you the maintenance for the vehicle. Super nice. The gauges. Shows you here the battery voltage, temperature coolant, and trip computer. Super nice. Up here on top, click there. It shows you the information for the phones. There's no phone connected, that's what it shows. On top here, the radio stations. And on this one here, we can click there, and it shows you what they have available: AM, FM, XM radio, and whatever device you have wireless. All right, that's pretty much on the inside here. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. It's a 2025 Chevrolet TRAX. There's a little reflection there because of the sun with the screen or whatever, but regardless, it's a beautiful display. Super nice drive. Okay, coming up on a light here. Let's check the brakes out. Stops perfect, super nice. AC is nice and cold. Drives amazing. Here we go. Super quick. All right, coming up on a light here. Stops amazing. Okay, here we go. Really nice pickup. Super quick. Look at that. All right, so that little car on the right tells us how far the distance the front car is. And then the two little lines there with the vehicle show us that we're in the lane. If we get on the lane, it starts beeping or whatever, letting us know that we're removing ourselves from the lane. So that's nice. That's two really nice safety features it does have. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera, and then that will conclude our test drive. All right, super nice. Let's go ahead and test out our backup camera here. Here we go. All right, we'll put in reverse. And there's our backup camera. We could actually select the lane there. And when you turn the steering wheel, those little lines in the screen, they actually turn as you're going back. That's amazing. All right, that's pretty much our test drive here. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you what the trunk looks like, which is the cargo area. And we'll also take a look at the engine compartment and all the tires. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the rear cargo area. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Looks super nice, beautiful shape. Let's take a look beneath here. That's where the spare tire is. Very nice, look at that, brand new, amazing condition. It's got this little cover here in the back. Nobody sees your valuables down there when the door is closed. Amazing condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, look at that. Really outstanding condition, can't get any better than that, amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Beautiful condition. Super nice. All right, take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rim. Super, super nice. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Really beautiful condition, brand new tire. This vehicle only has like 3,000 miles on it. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.